So I realized the best way to fix any problem all my life in the past was to just suffer with it until somehow it's fixed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the more you can put yourself into this kind of suffering process, the better. Yep, nothing's getting generated again. So we're gonna suffer through another um, a different type of we're gonna suffer a different type of suffering to solve this. So we're gonna do let's think about this for a second. Right, right. Could it be this one, guys? Could it be this one, guys? Could it be one of these? Well, I think this is also actually not really used, or is it, right? Is it used in any way right now? WB container dev center. In what way is this used right now? Nope. We're gonna need to see the we're gonna need to see the I can also show the Yara chat, by the way, guys. This could be a good chance, good opportunity for me to show you how it works. I think I should delete. Oh, maybe no, it's actually could be our button, to be honest. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on Gemini, and inside of Gemini we're gonna no, not delete. We're gonna find our problem. Describe me exactly what my problem is, because I'm going to give this prompt to the RChat blueprint code agent, and I will ask her to find me a solution. And looking at my code and everything, yeah. Alright. So we're gonna go over here, RChat. Log in. Don't worry, I'm not gonna stream anything bad. That was my password. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go to analysis and understanding, right? Go here, paste. It's kind of weird, you have to explain instead of UE5, like what? Also, you gotta go here every once in a while to check if you have enough credits in the settings, right? This is gonna show your inscription. When this is fully done, it will go over here, and then you'll need to refill. Expires on July 5th. I really like this. How cute is it? The way it works. Refer and earn. Well, if anyone wants a referral, get $10. Give $20 and get $10. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, so you can mass produce them. Anyways, let's see what analysis we're gonna get out of this. Important finding already: the container. This entire widget tree is just one vertical box named the whole package. There's no scroll box in the design tree at all. There's no name target. The loop can reference unless it's adding to the vertical box. Let me read the creation loop. Custom blah blah. Custom cursor to see exactly where the child widgets are being added. Now I have a complete picture. Let me trace the actual execution flow. Collapse, construction strip graph, tunnel inputs. Okay. Critical issue found. The policy creation loop, output, blah blah. Guys, my internet is really a huge bottleneck in my whole productivity that it's keeping me so far behind. And you know, it's not even a regional thing. It's not even a thing um, of the internet providers. None of that at all, actually. And I don't even know, to be honest. What should I do about this? Before each loop starts on. I recently linked this YouTube channel on my LinkedIn. So yeah, I don't know if I'm looking forward to that because now I guess HR people are gonna be looking into here. I also tend to vent a lot. I love venting about personal stuff here on this. But anyway, if I accidentally stream something weird, just chat, let me know. I just need to be more mindful of accidentally streaming something like a really sensitive info, personal info, or something like that. You know, another question I have for this AI is how to make it more, um, more clean, like clean everything. How to make it more clean, more intuitive, and how to add more comments and documentation. If it's possible with this AI, I don't know. Is it even possible to do this? And like only have collapsed graphs when it makes sense to have collapsed graphs, for example. Once this is done, we're gonna switch to execution. Jesus Christ, man. I guess I could copy this entire thing and paste it again on Gemini. Back and forth, we could go. Maybe we could find something. Oh, 18% used context. 36K. Summary of findings. Primary bug. Uh, wait. Come on now. This just never stops. Instead, it stores three variables. Single item policy data, global data table index, category index that has no further connections, never calls, settle exposed variables, which impacts the display struct, nor any display surrounding functions. So widgets are created and added to the panel, but remain visually empty because of their text block variables are never set. Secondary block create widget array index 0. Hard-coded all widgets get the same array index 0. Should be local array index from the loop. Widgets which are not driven after a map policy hierarchy. None of the 5 display functions. Confirm map is not dead. Never triggers display. Whoa. Where did all the stuff go? Okay. I guess that was his reading. Or is it just here? So this is his thinking. He writes to himself, I guess. Would be blah blah. Alrighty then, man. Wow, I love the way, like, he actually found everything that should be found and then organized his own thinking and then answered to his own thinking. And he's talking to himself and then answering himself and then reflecting on this answer. And I just wish it could be faster. NVIDIA gotta work on those new latest GPUs that I don't know, worked with quantum mechanics or something. All the nerds now in the chat are gonna come and say, no, this doesn't work, quantum mechanics, blah blah. It's impossible or whatever. I don't care. It's only a joke, just no need to spurg about everything, about every joke. This is why I don't like programmers, hanging around with programmers, because they're big spurgs about almost everything. Anyway, add child vertical box. Oh god. Let's generate the missing links to wanting to wire these nodes in agent mode. And yes, let's go. I'm gonna ask also change names or whatever. But wait a second, I should have done this on my main branch of my game before coming into here. We're also gonna probably have like problems with the saving loading system because we deleted so many things. Even though that should have been more intuitive and simple, it actually is not. But I think I have a feeling this AI might be good with widgets. I already have this feeling just from everything I've seen so far. I don't know about the design though, you know, the aesthetics and everything. So this could just, it could only just generate templates for you to test your own skills, to be honest. Yeah, this will take a while. I think I'll end this video here, and maybe I'll go take a rest and lay down for a few minutes, and uh, wake up and come back once this is over. Because this is like a really tedious process. I think it could also have to do with my internet speed, I don't know. But yeah, anyways, that's it. That's all for now.